Hey guys, Boboboards here again, and today I will be showing you how to hippie jump, or if you can hippie jump. I don't actually know yet, but I'll just be testing it. I'm showing you guys me falling on my ass. So, oh, that's try one. I actually got off the ground. I'm doing it again. So, try three. Oh no. That was not good. Yeah, I guess it is kind of possible. It doesn't go very far, but you can't go too high because as soon as your weight shifts off, it slowly starts to lean. And if you don't get back on, your weight will just, without your weight, it will not balance, and it will fall right down. Well, that's all for today, folks, and I will see you next time.